Welcome back. Now, whether you're working on a document on your desktop or in your online portal, what you'll want to do is to make sure to click either of the share button. Now, when you click the share button, you're going to want to click this link that says anyone with the link can edit. What this now does is this gives you some options. You can determine that specific people will be able to use the document. You can determine that only people within your organization will be able to use this link, or people who've already had access. What this does is this allows you to limit the number of people who are working with you, or even more specifically, if you have groups of teams working with you, you can limit access to this document to a specific team. Of course, what we want to do is we want to save this document. We want to save it in a place where we know our team is going to have access to it. That means in this case, what we can do is we can save this to a specific folder in our OneDrive where only the individuals in the team that we're going to be sharing this with will be able to access the document. Now, of course, we can also check off specific people. Now, if we click Apply, these individuals don't have to be inside of our organization. And here's the document in the individual's email box. When they get the document, they're going to get a message that looks like this, allowing them to open the document as a secure link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.